What's up, Lander Magician? It's Jay with another quick tip on heat problems, but this time it's not just heat, it's for all of those of you who are living in a country that's not only hot but also extremely humid, where, you know, it feels like a sauna and you're worried that your gear is going to be eaten up by microorganisms. No microbes gonna eat any of my gear, thanks to this invention in combination with a tightly sealing plastic box. And not sure what these things are called. They normally go into wardrobes to keep your clothing from getting humid and damp and unusable. You find them in general stores for like under $1 a piece, and they really work well, keeping our camera safe. This is how it looks like in the end. Not pretty, but it works. And if you got a bad boy like this, even better. Some say those things help. I really know. I'm not sure, but that's what I do. Thanks for watching. See you.